Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be some major cleaning motivation. We're going to clean my downstairs bathroom, clean the outsides of my kitchen cabinets, do lots of vacuuming, dusting, laundry, some other things that's going to give you tons of cleaning motivation. So get up, come clean with me, play this video in the background so we can clean together, and let's get to it.
I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love.
So I got this fun idea from Amy Darley here on YouTube. She's amazing. So if you haven't subscribed to her, make sure you go show her some love and tell her I sent you. I will link her channel link down below. But I wanted to play a game with you guys called Never Have I Ever. So on this screen throughout the video, I'm going to put Never Have I Ever questions that I want you guys to answer, and my answers are going to be pinned in the comment section. This is just a great way for you guys to get to know me, and also for me to get to know you guys. So I'm excited to see all of your answers.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We stay
So as you can see, Ava is doing the mopping. She loves to mop the hardwood floors for some reason, and who am I to complain and tell her she can't do it? So yeah, if you guys are enjoying this video, it would be great if you would please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel more than you ever know. And I would also love if you would subscribe as well. I've noticed that 74.7% of you are watching, but you aren't subscribed. So if you're in that percentage, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified of all of my uploads. It's free and it only takes a second to do. And I truly, truly do appreciate it so very much.
I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind, 'cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. Trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. Living on the edge. We were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest. Care about the rest. I thought that it would last forever, 'cause with you everything was better. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Stay tuned for next week's cleaning video, as I'm going to be tackling my pantry, which, trust me, you do not want to miss. We're going to be cleaning it out and organizing it. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Know that I love you guys. I can't wait to meet you guys down in the comments with your never have I ever answers. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.